Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you in just 5 minutes remove all unwanted hair. This works for armpit hair, it works for pubic hair, it works for all hair types, and it's a permanent solution because the hair will not gonna grow back. And I promise you, if you followed each step I'm going to give you in this video, you are going to remove all unwanted hair permanently. So the first step and the first thing we'll need in a clean mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and you cannot use baking powder. Baking powder is not gonna work the same. So add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and then we'll need to add on it around 50 ml of very hot preheated water. You cannot add cold water. And once it bubbles like so, my friends, then we need to mix. And with an aid of a cotton ball, dip in the cotton ball into the baking soda solution and apply it on the skin that has the unwanted hair. It works for underarms or armpit hair, works for all hair types. So apply it on the area that you do have the unwanted hair on and leave it to dry out for 2 hours. In a clean mixing bowl, add half tablespoon of Vaseline, then add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and mix very well. Once you mix all the ingredients, again with an aid of cotton ball, apply it on the affected area and massage the skin with it opposite hair growth direction. And after the hair will fall out, it's not gonna grow back again. This is permanent solution to remove all unwanted hair permanently. Repeat this process every day. It's better to leave the baking soda overnight, but if you do have sensitive skin, just leave it 2 hours and it will work for you too, my friends. If you do have very thick hair, then repeat that process every day, my friends, and the result will shock you because you will get rid of all the unwanted hair permanently. It removes it in just a few minutes. Just massage the skin in these 2 steps opposite the hair growth direction, and my friends, all the unwanted hair will be permanently removed and it's not gonna grow back. I hope this magical remedy will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective remedies, and I will see you in my next video.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.